Welcome to French Conversations for Beginners. Learn everyday French from Janina, the language teacher, and Joël from France.
Bonjour Joël.
Bonjour Janina.
Ça va?
Ça va très bien, et toi?
Oui, ça va. So tonight we're going to talk about the boulangerie, à la boulangerie, right? At the bakery, okay? And obviously this is a great place to get great food that you can walk away with. Basically the best fast French food ever, right, is at the boulangerie, of course. Would you call it that?
Yeah.
When I say fast food, I'm not trying to say...
Yeah. No, every bakery is doing sandwiches and stuff. Yeah.
Okay. But I even mean just getting a baguette and a couple of things to take away, and you can have a
usually
nice...
boulangerie, 30 years ago, that was just bread.
Only bread,
And
really?
candies.
Really?
And candies. Yeah, I used to go to the bakery to have candies.
Okay.
That was cheap.
Okay, so the bakery had bread and candies, but I'm thinking about... in our building, we have the...
Yeah, that's modern boulangerie.
Yeah. What's his name? Emilien?
Emilien.
And his wife is Valerie? Valerie, I think is her name. And they do amazing bread, but they do something that's even sort of beyond the baguette, right? They do that pain sec, the
Pain
rye
de
bread.
seigle.
Yeah.
Pain de seigle.
Thank you. I always struggle with that one. All right. And they do nice sandwiches, don't they?
Yeah.
And they do amazing cakes, and they always do our bûche de Noël, right?
Yeah, Christmas cake.
Those really nice. The log, bûche meaning log, and they look like a log. They're excellent. And doesn't it do little pizzas and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pizza, quiche Lorraine.
Okay. And he does pain au chocolat in the morning, doesn't he?
Yeah, pain au chocolat, croissant.
And does he do brioche?
Yeah.
Well, so as an American, I didn't know what brioche was a long time ago. So what is that? Brioche? It's just basically, it's kind of a yellowish bread. It's normal bread.
Yeah, it's bread with butter.
And a bit of sugar on
Sweet.
it, doesn't it? It's really sweet. Okay. All right. So since we're not, we don't have access to Emilien right now, so you're going to play the boulanger, right?
Yeah.
And I, of course, will be going to get something at
De boulangerie.
the boulangerie.
Bonjour madame, vous désirez?
Bonjour, monsieur. Un pain, s'il vous plaît.
Et que voulez-vous? Une baguette, un bâtard, un pain de campagne?
Une baguette.
Bien, et avec ça?
Je voudrais du brioche et du croissant.
Ce sera tout? Ça fait 2,50 €.
Vous avez la monnaie de 100 €?
La monnaie de 100 €? Ah non, mais vous pouvez la BNP à côté.
Alors, je n'ai pas assez d'argent. Je laisse le brioche et les croissants.
Faites comme vous voulez.
Au revoir, monsieur. All right, there's lots of good language in there. Okay. So, obviously, bonjour, madame. Ma'am, hello, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. How would you say, another way to say, can I help you? I know we talked about this in another episode. It's...
Vous désirez?
Okay. All right, and I said, un pain, s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît, meaning?
Please.
Okay, what if I'm asking someone I'm familiar with, how do I say please? S'il
Te plaît?
te plaît. Would it be appropriate to go into a bakery with someone I don't know and say that?
S'il te plaît?
Yeah.
Not
No,
really.
yeah, French is very polite. There's a lot of
You don't know
expectations.
people, yeah, you.
Yeah.
Formal.
Okay. And then you ask, but what would you like? Which was?
Mais que voulez-vous?
Okay, and you gave me some choices, okay? And for what we think of classic French bread is?
Baguette?
And then the next one was?
Bâtard.
And then we'll talk about that in a second. And the last one was?
Un pain de campagne.
Okay, so the baguette, everyone in the United States mostly knows what a baguette is. You can buy that at a lot of supermarkets, a version of it anyway. I know you're dying to laugh, Joël. So, un bâtard?
Bâtard.
Bâtard? I know what that means. Okay, so when it's bread, is it just that it's smaller? What is it? How is it different from a baguette?
Half a baguette.
Okay, but it has another meaning, which means...
Bastard.
Yeah, okay. So Could you offend somebody by using that out of context? Like, in a different context? Thank you very much for showing me that picture. I've seen that, the small one, yeah.
Well, yeah. Usually you don't scrape it.
Of course not.
Do it.
Of course not. But it would be...
On
You have to be
your
very careful. No, just know that that has a nice meaning and a not so nice meaning, right? Okay, and then I also asked you for some country bread, which was...
Un pain de campagne.
So how is that different from the other two breads we talked about?
Different flour.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And then I asked for a baguette. And then you said to me...
Bien et avec ça.
Okay, good. And what else, right? And literally, and with that, right? Good, and with that, all right? And I said, I would like 2 brioches and 2 croissants.
Je voudrais 2 brioches et 2 croissants.
Okay, and then you asked me...
Ce sera tout.
Will that be all?
Yeah. Et ça fait 2,50.
Okay, and that
2,50
makes
€.
$2.50, right?
Yeah.
And then I asked you if you had...
Vous avez la monnaie de 100
change,
€.
right? In this case, monnaie, la monnaie.
Monnaie, change. Yeah.
Okay. So do you have change for 100 euros? Okay. All right. And then...
La monnaie de 100 €. Non.
Okay, no, you don't. You didn't have that.
No.
And then you told me that I could go to the BNP, which is a big bank next door.
Vous pouvez aller à la BNP à côté.
Okay, so you can go
Banque
to the...
nationale de Paris.
Yeah. Okay. À côté, next door. Okay. And so then I said,
Alors,
basically,
je
all
n'ai
right
pas
then,
assez
right?
d'argent.
Alors, right? I don't have enough money.
Je laisse les brioches et les croissants.
Okay, I'll leave the brioche and the croissant. Okay. And then you said to me,
Faites comme vous voulez.
okay, do as you wish.
Yeah.
Okay. And I said goodbye.
Au revoir.
Okay. So again, let's go through the foods and then the shopping stuff and then what else we might need to learn to go shopping somewhere else. So what would you like? How would you say it?
Vous désirez?
Okay. And then
She's not very, very, very polite. That's very boulangerie.
okay. All right.
Usually in a rush. So.
Okay. Yeah.
Usually.
Okay. What's the other thing that when you asked me the second time you said, but what would you like? So that
Que voulez-vous?
okay. And we wouldn't say that in English, the but part, but it's very common in French. That mais is always in there somewhere. And then I said please, which was
S'il vous plaît.
okay. And then you asked me good and what and with what or what else?
Et avec ça,
Okay. And I said I would like, which we learned in another one.
je voudrais.
Okay, and then of course your numbers du brioche et du croissant. And then you said, will that be all?
Ce sera tout.
Okay, and how do you say that makes, or like how much something's going to cost? You could say...
Ça fait.
Okay, and I said, vous avez les monnaies de 100 euros. Vous avez la monnaie de means...
Do you have change for?
For, okay, vous avez la monnaie de, and then whatever the amount is. Oh no, how would you say that?
Non.
Okay, and then you can go. Can you say that?
Vous pouvez aller
Okay, and then we talked about the bank à la
BNP à côté.
à côté. What does à côté mean?
Next door.
Okay, and then all right then. All right then.
Alors,
Okay, and then I said to you, I don't have enough money.
je n'ai pas assez d'argent.
I don't have enough. I don't have enough.
Je n'ai pas assez.
I don't have enough money.
Je n'ai pas assez d'argent.
Okay, and say I leave. I'll leave.
Je laisse.
Okay, I'll leave the brioche.
Je laisse les brioches.
I'll leave the brioche and the croissant.
Je laisse les brioches et les croissants.
Okay, and so then you said to me,
Faites comme vous voulez.
do as you want, right? Do as you want. So I like this expression, faites comme, and then you say to people like, faites comme, do as, right? So, okay, do as you want, faites comme vous voulez.
Yeah.
Okay. How about do as, like, people say that, like, make yourself at home. Faites comme chez
Faites comme chez vous.
Okay, good. Okay, and then goodbye is?
Au revoir.
All right. All right. Okay, so and then all right, I think that's good. Is there anything else people should know about the French bakery?
No, too quick. Usually people are busy.
Okay, so
The bread is
yeah.
religion.
Yeah. Okay. And you should go in the morning. It's better, right?
Yeah,
the earlier
when they
the
just
better.
cook the bread and you have it warm, just straight out the oven.
Okay. All right. Okay, well, thank you very much, Joelle.
De rien, Janina.
Okay, and so
Bonne soirée.
bonne soirée, à tout à l'heure.
For more resources on learning and teaching languages, to get on our mailing list, or to get the workbook for this course, be sure to visit reallifelanguage.com/reallifelanguageblog. If you enjoyed this episode, please be sure to subscribe and leave a rating.